Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. In my previous video, I talked about how to naturally boost your immunity during this flu season. In this video, I'm going to explain you what we do here at MyFitMed to improve your natural immunity. So here at MyFitMed, we have something called Immune Boosting Program. In this program, we have Immunity IV and Immunity Boosting Vitamin Injections. So our Immunity IV has a power-packed blend of immunity-boosting vitamins called glutathione, zinc, B-complex, and vitamin C. We give very high dose of vitamin C to improve your immunity and to strengthen your immune system. When these vitamins are going straight up IV, it's 100% absorption. This very high concentrated blend of vitamins and mineral helps you strengthen your immune system. After getting an IV, you will get a high dose of vitamin D3 injection intramuscular. This injection will have the synergetic effect on improving your immune system. So this combination of immunity boosting IV and immune boosting vitamin injection will not only improve your overall immunity, but will also improve your overall inflammation, aids in wound healing, optimize the healthy cellular function, and improve your overall skin tone. And subscribe for more videos.